Whoo boy, these guys are very intimate right now.
I'm in the pocket.
Yes, you are.
Yeah.
Covers on the covers. Goshen Crouching Edition.
Yeah.
This is Jay, Adam, and Sean. We've known each other for a very long time.
Indeed.
Honored to still know them. Here's John Prine, speaking to the sound of loneliness. I'm touching them in some very special places. You come home late and you come home early. You come home big when you're feeling small. You come home straight and you come home curly. Sometimes you don't come home at all. So what in the world's come over you? And what in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of sound and loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. Well, I got a heart that burns with a fever. Yeah, I got a worried and jealous mind. How can a love that lasts forever, how can it get so far behind? So what in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? Well, how can the sound of loneliness? Damn. You're out there running just to be on the run. It's a mighty me and a dreadful sorrow. I crossed the evil line today. Well, how can you ask about tomorrow when we ain't got one word to say? What in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of sound and loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. So what in the world's come over you? What in heaven's name have you done? You've broken the speed of sound and loneliness. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. You're out there running just to be on the run. Perfect.